Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a different type of video. It's going to be me going from brunette to like a balayage blonde type look. So yeah, you guys are going to go on my journey with me and let's go. So as you can tell, my hair is very long and brown right now. I don't know exactly what kind of blonde we're going for, but yeah. And if you're wondering, I go, I think it's in the town Bartow in PA, and it's called Salon 115, and my hairdresser's name is Roxanne. So if you guys are in the area, check her out and let's go change this brown to blonde.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky, are also on the faces of people going by. I see friends shaking hands, saying how do you do. They're really saying I love you. What a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hey guys, welcome back. I mean, I guess you didn't really go far. So this is what my hair turned out to be. It is definitely blonder. I wanted it to be blonder, but with how dark my hair was, this is as much as it's gonna get, and that's okay because since spring and summer are coming, my hair will get lighter from the sun, so that's okay. But if I wanted to, I could go back in like a month and get it lightened up, so we'll see about that. But yeah, this is my hair in the natural lighting. Some really pretty bouncy curls. So yeah, excuse my eye, I got it waxed. So yeah, it took about 3 hours to do, which is typical because my hair is so thick. And yeah, it wasn't that expensive, especially where I go. They don't overprice things, which is awesome. So yeah, that's all I really have to say for this video. And if you enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up. And be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss another video. And yeah, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.